Hello everyone, I just arrived and now I received my Amazon for product testing. So let us unbox it and see my sweat. I just came from outside and it's very hot. Still hot here in Dubai, so even if the winter is starting, it's still like not that cold. Yay! Very nicely packed. There you go. So we have this oh wow! Actually, this is one of the products I need to test. So, this is a strap, an organizer strap. And see this. Oh wow! So very nice. And of course, my favorite is white. So. Ooh. So it's reusable, very convenient, and you can use it to tie anything, your chargers, your wires. Ooh. How do I do it? So the felt inside, and then it should be going outside, and there you go. If you do it like this, just like the black pink, it won't bulge at all. So very safe for your wires so that it won't bend. So I have this, and oh, this is a free one. Amazing. So basically, you put it on a table and let me get some wire as a sample. So you put it on a table and then you can organize your wire just like this. It's also free, given to me by the provider, and it's like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 pieces. Free ones. Thank you. So 10 pieces reusable cable straps plus cable organizer. Very nice. And most of all, I have the the earbuds. So it's from taotronic, and it's Sound Liberty 79 True Wireless Stereo Earbuds. It's from Japan, importer from Japan, manufactured in Shenzhen, and it's a Bluetooth wireless earbuds. So very nicely packed. Very nice color of packaging also. I'll open it. Excited. So let's see. Oh wow. So very neatly packed. So it has its quick start guide. So they have it in different languages, but this one is actually just the picture instructions. So very nice. It's still a user guide to troubleshoot your unit. And they have a taotronic thank you card. It says you can register this to get a warranty. So you're gonna have 18 months warranty extension, and then 60 days free return shipping. So thank you, Taotronic. What else can I see inside the box before I finally reveal the earbuds itself? So it comes with let me open this one first. So it comes with a small charger. Oh, look at their charger. It's a flat wire. I always love flat wire because it doesn't like break easily, and it's very durable. So unlike the circle one, which is very thin, it easily breaks on the top. And if you can see, it's very much very durable. Very nice. You have an extra strap, and then you have a replacement for the earbuds to maintain cleanliness, especially during the COVID times. Yeah. Ta-da! So nice. So we have this, and then let me see. Oops. Oh, so small. Very professional design. So it says Taotronics. I always like jet black. And then, ooh, see? I'm not sure, but it's lighting. It has lights. Maybe it's charged already. Oh my god, this is so nice. Look at it. Oh, very nice. Looks so good. Very professional looking. And the packaging and how it is made is looking so durable. So if you will ask me, I'll give it a 5-star marks, and there it goes. Really love it, actually. Excited to use it. So guys, see you next time for another product review. Whichever it is, stay tuned.